What's up, guys? I wanted to do a quick video for you today about stock Footwell lighting in your Jeep Wrangler. Here's my halo headlights. I have an install video and quick overview on my channel if you're interested. So let's get to the main topic of the Jeep video today, and that is the Footwell lighting. So when I bought my Jeep, it came with the white plastic floor mats that the dealers put in so people who test drive the vehicles don't, get the carpets all dirtied up and they had to clean it every single day. When I was driving home, it's about a 2-hour drive from where I bought it, I noticed a glare up in the top that looked like Footwell lighting. So I assumed it had Footwell lighting, but it wasn't very good. Well, a few weeks later, I bought these Mopar Jeep black floor mats for my Jeep and started wondering why I couldn't see those Footwell lights anymore when I had my headlights on. So I did a little digging around underneath the dash and found these lights here, and I found that one light is pointing down, and that's the Footwell light that's on when you have your door open. That's why you can see it. And there's actually another one nestled up in there that is your driving Footwell light. So when you have your headlights on, dash lights on, or whatever, those lights are lit up. And those lights are actually, well, the driving light is controlled by the lights on your dash. So if you dim the lights on your dash, the Footwell lights will actually dim too. Now I'm going to take out that module on the driver's side for you and show you a little bit closer on what is going on with those. So to remove this little module, I have it out right here. Here's the driver's side. I will show you that in a second. There's just one bolt right here, and you can use either a 7mm socket or I believe a 6/32 socket to get it out. It's not in there tight. It's just a little awkward getting down underneath there to get it out. But there's only one bolt and then a connector. All you have to do is squeeze. It's on the actual Jeep part. You squeeze the connector and just pull it out. So here are the lights out of my Jeep. There are actually two in this little fixture. There's one right here that faces down and one that faces towards the front of the Jeep. Now, I found out that this one facing down is on when you open your doors. So it gives you a little foot lighting when you have your doors open. This light here that faces towards the back of the Jeep is your driving Footwell lights. And neither of them are color, they're just white LED Footwell lights. So what I ended up doing was releasing this little clasp here on this back and taking the light completely out of there. Because with the light in there, you cannot see the lights lit up at night at all. So what I did is pretty much just wrapped it around, put it right on front, and let it hang there. You can't see it hanging. It doesn't bounce around really when you're driving the Jeep, and I've been riding around with it like this for several months without issue. I wanted to go one step farther, so I wanted to add a color to it, and I wanted it to match the rest of the Jeep. Since the theme of the interior lights of the Jeep are green, I wanted to match that green. So what I found was this little green clear, it's actually protective tape that I found at work. It protects tables. You stick it down so you don't scratch up tables and get chemicals and stuff on it. So I decided to use this, and what I do with it is I just wrap it around the light. This piece is a little large, but you get the point. Take a little piece of tape, and tape it on there. I'll tape it up a little bit better. But then I just install it in the Jeep. You could even, if you really want to, add a little zip tie maybe around here to kind of better secure it. But this actually green tape matches perfectly with the green interior accent lighting in my Jeep. Now I don't know if every single Jeep has these lights in them. My Jeep is a 2014 Wrangler Sport. It is not the base model, so it has the heated mirrors power windows, Sirius satellite radio, that stuff. I'm not sure if the base model, the one that comes with those steel rims, or the manual windows has this, but I'm quite certain the Sahara and the Rubicon will. And I'm also not sure what years Jeeps have these, but I know for a fact that 2014 and newer should have them. So just look under your dash there and to see if you have them. So I would show you this at night, but I tried and it doesn't really show up. So I'm going to demonstrate for you now what I mean. So I have the lights installed here. Hopefully you can see that, the little green beside the part that's lit up. So the part that's lit up is the door, since the doors are open. And I'm going to turn on my headlights real quick, and you'll see the green part light up to the right there. Now that is your Footwell lighting. That lights up when you have your headlights on, and it is controlled by the dimmer on your dash. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video about this stock Footwell lighting in your Jeep Wrangler. I assume that most of you didn't know that this is actually comes standard in most of these Jeeps. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. That'll help me out make more videos for you, more content. And if you like those cheap, easy mods, let me know. I can make up some more for you. I know I installed some LED lighting in the front and back of my Jeep, not in the map lights because it's almost impossible. If you guys want to know some more cheap, easy mods, please let me know. I will try to get some more content out for you. But besides that, please like, subscribe, and have a great day.